What if the cures to the world's deadliest diseases are already here, just waiting to be discovered? What if technology could help doctors see inside the body, restore movement, or even print life-saving medicine right before your eyes? In today's video, we're going to explore 10 groundbreaking medical innovations that are shaping a future where millions of lives could be saved. These aren't distant dreams, they're real technologies in development right now. From digital tattoos that monitor your heart to brain implants that help paralyzed people move again, the future of medicine is unfolding faster than ever. Each innovation on this list has one goal: to protect, heal, and extend human life. Let's get started. 1. Mixed reality, training doctors to save lives before they begin. Imagine a surgeon putting on a headset and suddenly standing inside a patient's heart. Every vein, every artery, every organ visible in 3D, beating, breathing, and responding in real time. That's mixed reality, a technology blending the real world with digital simulation. Using tools like Microsoft HoloLens, medical students can study the human body without ever picking up a scalpel. They can zoom in on organs, practice surgeries, and even plan complex operations virtually before performing them on real patients. The result? Fewer mistakes, faster training, more lives saved. Mixed reality is not just teaching medicine, it's perfecting it. 2. Brain-computer interfaces, restoring movement and freedom. Think of a person who can't move, completely paralyzed, yet fully aware. Now imagine them walking again. That's not fantasy. That's the power of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. These incredible devices connect the human brain directly to machines, translating thoughts into movement. Companies like Neuralink and Synchron are at the forefront of this revolution. One patient, using a mind-controlled exoskeleton, took his first steps after years of paralysis. This technology could help millions, people recovering from strokes, spinal injuries, or neurological disorders. Every restored movement, every regained voice, means a life transformed. 3. Cyborg medicine, when humans and machines heal together. What if the future doctor's toolkit isn't just filled with medicines, but microchips and implants that make our bodies stronger? That's what's happening right now in the world of biohacking and cyborg technology. Scientists are developing smart implants that can restore lost senses or boost natural abilities. Artificial retinas that help the blind see, AI-powered hearing aids that understand multiple languages, and RFID chips that track vital health data in real time. Millions could benefit, from accident victims regaining sight or hearing to people with chronic illnesses living normal lives again. In the next decade, being human may include technology as naturally as wearing glasses or a smartwatch. Only this time, the upgrades will live inside us. 4. 3D printed drugs, personalized medicine for everyone. Picture walking into a pharmacy, and instead of handing you a box of pills, they print your medicine on the spot. That's the promise of 3D printed drugs. Personalized pills designed just for you. The first of its kind, Spritum, was approved by the FDA to treat epilepsy. It dissolves faster, giving patients relief in moments that truly count. Scientists are also creating custom-shaped pills, like dinosaurs or stars, to help children take medicine without fear. It's a future where medicine adapts to you, not the other way around. A change that could save countless lives every year. 5. Gamified healthcare, turning healthy living into a life-saving game. We all know how hard it can be to stick to healthy habits. Eating right, exercising, taking your meds. But what if staying healthy felt like playing your favorite game? Welcome to gamified healthcare, a system that turns wellness into motivation. Apps like MySugar use playful challenges to help people manage diabetes, rewarding consistency with points and achievements. Insurance programs now pay people cash bonuses for walking more steps or completing fitness goals. Gamification taps into motivation, helping millions prevent life-threatening diseases like heart attacks, diabetes, and obesity. A few extra steps, a few small choices, multiplied across millions of people. That's a ripple effect powerful enough to save millions of lives. 6. New tech, new illnesses, staying safe in a digital world. Technology is powerful, but it's not without side effects. Doctors are already diagnosing modern problems like text neck, caused by looking down at phones for hours, or VR stress, triggered by intense virtual experiences. Even video game epilepsy, seizures caused by flashing lights, has become more common in the digital age. The next wave of innovation isn't just about inventing new tools. It's about creating safer ways to use them. In short, technology saves lives, but balance keeps us healthy. 7. Artificial food, feeding the world, saving the planet. Here's a life-saving innovation that starts on your plate. What if the future of food didn't come from farms or animals, but from labs? Companies like Mosa Meat and Hoxton Farms are growing real meat from animal cells. No slaughter, no antibiotics, and far less environmental impact. Others like Perfect Day create milk proteins without cows, offering dairy products that are sustainable and cruelty-free. This breakthrough could save millions by fighting hunger and malnutrition, especially in regions where farming is impossible. Artificial food isn't just about comfort, it's about survival. 8. Voice diagnostics, saving lives through sound. Now here's something truly fascinating. Your voice could become a medical test. AI systems are learning to detect illnesses by analyzing how we speak. Tiny changes in tone, rhythm, or breath can reveal signs of heart disease, depression, lung infections, or even Alzheimer's. Companies like Sond Health and Cough Pro already use your smartphone microphone to monitor coughs or breathing patterns, giving early warnings before conditions get serious. The next time someone says, "I hear something in your voice," it might literally be a life-saving clue. 9. Patient empowerment, when knowledge saves lives. The most powerful medical tool isn't a robot or machine, it's you. We're entering a new era where patients don't just receive care, they co-create it. Thanks to wearables and health apps, people can monitor their own vitals, blood pressure, oxygen levels, sleep, and heart rate, all from their wrist. Millions have already avoided hospital visits because their smartwatch alerted them to irregular heartbeats or low oxygen levels. This movement toward patient empowerment transforms healthcare from reactive to proactive. People aren't waiting for emergencies anymore, they're preventing them. The result? Fewer deaths, faster recovery, and a generation that truly takes health into its own hands. When patients become partners, medicine becomes unstoppable. 10. Digital tattoos, the future of invisible medicine. And finally, one of the most exciting breakthroughs of all, digital tattoos. These ultra-thin, flexible patches stick to your skin like a temporary tattoo, but they do so much more. They can monitor your heart, track sleep, detect muscle activity, and even send data to your doctor in real time. No wires, no discomfort. For patients with heart disease or epilepsy, that data can mean life or death. Imagine a tattoo that warns you before a heart attack or alerts emergency services when something's wrong. Researchers are developing tattoos that don't even need charging, powered by body heat and movement. It's discreet, painless, and potentially life-saving. In the near future, your doctor might simply say, "Apply this patch, it'll keep you safe." This is healthcare that moves with you, breathes with you, and keeps you alive 24/7. Every innovation we've talked about today shares one powerful mission: to save lives. Mixed reality helps doctors avoid mistakes, brain-computer interfaces give paralyzed people hope, and 3D printed drugs make treatment faster and safer. Digital tattoos and voice diagnostics catch illness early, while artificial food ensures no one goes hungry. These aren't just gadgets. They're the start of a future where healthcare is smarter, more personal, and driven by compassion. Because saving lives isn't only about what we create, it's about how we use it. So, which of these medical innovations amazed you the most? Would you wear a digital tattoo, eat lab-grown food, or trust a brain-computer interface? Tell me what you think down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more stories about the incredible future of medicine to life. Thanks for watching.